Where do you go? Where?
I'm going to my home.
Your home. You are a
Yeah.
good driver?
Yeah.
That's great, but I can't drive.
Why?
I never training, that's why.
Don't try.
No.
Teach drive and drive.
Oh, I want to drive, but I can't.
Okay.
I'm very afraid that.
Try. Okay. Where you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Where is it?
It's next to India. Do you know India?
Yeah.
We are neighbor
Next to
country.
India. Okay. I near Nepal. Do you know Nepal?
Yeah, I know Nepal. It's very famous for
I
monkey.
visit him 5 years
5 years.
in Nepal. Yes. And when I come to Nepal, I've been shocked.
Why?
I don't know people live like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. One day, 2 day, I want to come back to Israel, but
Can you share with me
very,
something interesting?
very happy people, but very poor.
Very poor.
I think so. Not everything is broke.
Okay. But Nepal
But
has so many beautiful places you can visit. I think I never been there, but I'm watching so many blogs.
you visit in Nepal?
No, not yet. But I want in future. I never
Okay.
visit other country
Why?
because now I'm just join a job. I need money for traveling.
Visit. I visit the United States, Germany, Poland, Canada.
Oh, you traveling so many countries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The best country is, I think, United States is very big.
You like United States. What is the reason? Freedom country, that's why, or anything else?
Because I've been in Orlando. You know, Disneyland. To my child, very happy in Disneyland.
What do you do for living? You are a businessman, I think.
I work in cellular,
Cellular means
phone cellular.
Understand.
Cellular, you understand?
Yeah, your life is so easy. I think you are enjoying your life.
No. I work hard, very hard.
Why?
It's
But
not.
I'm
It's not
watching.
easy.
You are very free man. You are enjoying your life. It's my opinion for you.
I enjoy, but I work hard to get from what I have. It's not easy.
Yeah, I know it's not very easy, but you have to achieve.